Stop what you're doing for a moment and don't skip this video if you're over 70. Before you go on with your day, there's one simple exercise you should know about. Don't wait until your balance starts to decline, your legs feel weaker, or everyday tasks become harder than they used to be. Because losing your independence rarely happens all at once. It usually begins with small warning signs that are easy to overlook. Your legs don't feel as strong, you move a little slower, or getting up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. The good news? There's a simple exercise that takes just a few minutes a day, can be done right at home, and doesn't require any expensive equipment. But there's one important detail many people miss, and doing this exercise the wrong way could limit its benefits. So stay with us until the end, because today we're going to show you exactly how to do it and why this simple habit could become one of the most important things you do for your health after 70. After the age of 70, your body naturally begins to change. One of the biggest changes is the gradual loss of muscle mass. This is a normal part of aging, and it's often referred to as age-related muscle loss. As muscles become weaker, everyday tasks may start to feel more challenging than they once did. At the same time, your reaction time may slow down. Your joints may become less flexible, and your balance may not be as steady as it used to be. Many people don't notice these changes right away. That's because they happen slowly over many years. But eventually, they can start affecting your daily life. Simple activities like standing up from a chair, walking around the house, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries may begin to require more effort. These changes can also increase the risk of falls. And for older adults, a fall is much more than a minor accident. A serious fall can sometimes lead to injuries, hospital stays, a loss of confidence, and reduced independence. For some people, the fear of falling again can become a problem in its own right. They begin moving less, avoid certain activities, and over time that can lead to even more muscle weakness. That's why health experts place so much emphasis on exercises that improve strength and balance. And here's the good news. You don't need expensive equipment, a gym membership, or intense workouts to support your health. Sometimes simple movements done consistently can make a meaningful difference. Even a few minutes of activity each day may help your body stay stronger, more stable, and more confident. Because healthy aging isn't about doing more, it's about helping your body continue doing the things you love for as long as possible. One of the most recommended exercises for older adults is called the sit-to-stand exercise. It's simple, practical, and safe for many people. Best of all, it mimics a movement you already do every single day. In fact, standing up from a chair is one of the most important movements for maintaining independence as we age. Most of us don't think much about it, but over time, this simple movement can become more difficult if our muscles aren't strong enough. That's why practicing this exercise regularly can be so helpful. It trains the muscles you rely on for walking, climbing stairs, getting out of bed, and standing up safely without assistance. It can also help improve balance and body control during everyday activities. And the best part? You can do it at home. It only takes a few minutes and you don't need any special equipment. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Use a sturdy chair that won't slide or move. Place your feet flat on the floor about shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Step 2. Lean forward slightly. Cross your arms over your chest or use the armrests if you need extra support. If you're just getting started, it's perfectly fine to use a little assistance until you build more confidence. Step 3. Slowly stand up, then slowly sit back down. That's 1 repetition. Move with control rather than using momentum. Focus on using your leg muscles instead of pushing yourself up too quickly. Start with 5 repetitions. If that feels comfortable, gradually work your way up to 10. Try doing this exercise 1 to 3 times a day. Remember, consistency matters more than doing too much all at once. Small efforts repeated every day often lead to better long-term results. Move slowly. Don't rush. Pay attention to your posture throughout the entire movement, and always listen to your body. If you experience pain, dizziness, or unusual discomfort, stop and talk with your healthcare provider before continuing. The goal isn't to push yourself beyond your limits. The goal is to help your body stay strong enough to support your independence every day. This simple exercise targets several important muscle groups. It strengthens your thighs, your hips, your glutes, and the muscles that support your core. Together, these muscles help keep your body stable and balanced throughout the day. As we age, these areas naturally become weaker if we don't use them regularly. And when that happens, even simple movements can start to feel more difficult. You may notice that everyday tasks require more effort than they used to. That's why maintaining lower body strength becomes even more important after the age of 70. These muscles are essential for activities like getting out of bed, standing up from the toilet, walking safely, carrying light items around the house, and climbing stairs. They also help support good posture and make it easier to move around with confidence. Over time, improving lower body strength may help support better mobility, better balance, and greater confidence during your daily activities. Many older adults also find that stronger legs help them feel more secure while moving around. And when you feel more confident, you're more likely to stay active. The more you move, the easier it becomes to keep your body functioning well. That's why many health experts consider lower body strength one of the keys to staying independent later in life. Remember, you don't have to become stronger overnight. You don't have to push yourself too hard. Small improvements made consistently can add up over time. The goal is simply to keep moving, stay steady on your feet, and continue enjoying the activities you love for as long as possible. Because maintaining your independence often starts with taking care of the simple movements you do every day. Exercise works even better when it's combined with other healthy habits. No single exercise can do everything on its own. The best results usually come from small daily habits working together to support your overall health. Try to walk regularly, stay hydrated, eat enough protein, get quality sleep, and avoid sitting for long periods throughout the day. These habits may seem simple, but over time, they can make a real difference. For example, regular walking helps keep your joints moving and your muscles active. Drinking enough water helps your body function properly and supports your energy levels. Eating enough protein becomes especially important after the age of 70 because it helps preserve muscle strength. And quality sleep gives your body time to recover and repair itself. It's also important to avoid sitting for too many hours at a time. Long periods of inactivity can make your muscles stiff and leave you feeling sluggish. If you've been sitting for a while, stand up, stretch, or take a short walk around your home. Even a few extra minutes of movement throughout the day can add up over time. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need long or exhausting workouts every day. In fact, doing a simple exercise every day is often more beneficial than doing one intense workout each week. The goal isn't to push your body to its limits. The goal is to create a routine that's realistic, manageable, and easy to maintain. Keep moving, stay active, and build healthy habits you can continue for years to come. Because small actions practiced every day may help support better balance, greater mobility, more confidence, and a more independent life as you get older. Don't wait until your body becomes weaker before taking action. Start with just a few minutes a day and make movement a regular part of your routine. Growing older doesn't automatically mean losing your independence. In fact, small daily actions can make a big difference over time. A simple exercise like the sit-to-stand movement may help support strength, balance, mobility, and overall confidence. The key is to start slowly, stay consistent, and listen to your body. Most importantly, don't wait for the perfect time to begin. Start today and keep building healthy habits one day at a time. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried this exercise before? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future healthy aging tips. Because staying active today may help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.